blew up because they're double plated. And I heard this big boom, and I was sleeping. And I had the puppy with me. And first I just sat there because I was like, what was that noise? Did a car blow up? I didn't know. Then I looked out the window and I saw the smoke. So I called 911 and I grabbed the dog and I ran outside. And that's all I had time to do. And I let all the baby stuff is in there. And all my pictures of my family. And my pictures from when I was a baby were by the window. It's all gone. What happens?
Is anyone hurt?
Not that we're aware of right now.
How many homes did this affect?
How many houses were affected? 4 right now we're aware of.
4 still burning?
Yeah,
Everybody out okay?
as far as we know.
Did you have to rescue anybody?
No.
Thank you.
I just woke up from the big huge explosion and shook my whole house. It was my friend's house. I hope he got out. And it's crazy, the mayhem. It's just out of control.
I heard an explosion. By the time I got outside, the whole porch roof was gone, and the flames were just coming out of everywhere. And the roof, I don't know even if the roof was still on the building. It was literally an explosion.
You were asleep when this happened?
I was asleep.
Everybody said it shook their house.
It shook the house. I mean, really, I was up in 2 seconds. My wife was in the bathtub, and it scared the, you know what, out of us.
Do you know the people that live there?
I've met them before, but I didn't really know them personally. They were younger, bunch of kids.
They lived there long?
Like 3 months maybe.
When the boom started to go, there was an earthquake.
You thought it was
When
an
it
earthquake?
stopped, I knew it wasn't an earthquake.
You thought it was an earthquake, honey?
I thought it was a bomb.
You thought it was what?
A